After using Word to enter the text content, we often need to edit the text formatting to present the content in a more standardized form. Take this memorandum as an example. Click Edit to enter the document editing mode. Let's edit the whole text first. Long press the screen. Click Select All to select all the text. Click Tools. In the Home tab, we can set the font, size, text effect, indents and spacing, alignment. We change full text font to Android Clock. In order to make the text layout more beautiful, we can adjust the appropriate spacing. And text alignment. To make the article more layered, we can set the font size, format, text color, and so on. Sometimes we use space to control the distance between paragraphs, but space cannot customize the specific parameter of the distance. At this point, we can use indents and spacing to customize the distance between paragraphs of the article. Finally, add the appropriate background to the text. Let's look at the contrast effect before we set it up and after we set it up. Did you get it?